Hi, I am Guru Vignesh. I developed this application for increase the children's mental ability power and voice level. So some children are suffering lack of voice power and they didn't speak very well. So this game also helps their ability and voice power. So this is my game. I explained. So this game have three levels: easy, medium, and hard level. So choose one level, easy. So this is app loading. So here I will mention permission for the user to get a voice record. So we can also access the game in manually by clicking the slide. Here is my shuffle option for resetting the game levels. So here language chosen menu. So here you can choose your native language. So here I am living in India, so I choose India. So let's on the mic and speech. Okay, no match.
5,
Okay, it's work.
1,
Oh, yeah,
3,
no match. Again try.
3,
It's in not recognizing properly.
1,
Yeah, it's working.
7,
Okay, not recognizing.
7,
Yeah, super.
8,
Yeah, something misunderstanding the way. Okay, you will when shuffle, go to back button. You can choose. So I played in a very speeding for what is the end of the game. I want to show you. So I will go through and play. Sorry for the audio breaking. Yeah, this is the end of the game. Yeah. Perfect. So now we won the match. Here I will mention that moves and timing.